going on, guys? Rice here. This is day one back at UPG Airsoft for, I think it's been the longest of maybe 8 months since I last played here. Took a long break. I was in Italy for, obviously, active duty. Just got out of the Navy 2 days ago, so we're out here. It is 90 degrees out, so it's hot and it's sweaty. I have just gotten out of my car, and my hair's all over the place. Well, I do have the top down of my Jeep, so wind was blowing in the hair. That's why it's a little bit messed up, but I'm already sweating my ass off. It's a good day out here today. Setup we're currently using, MK18 gas blowback by Marui with the Guns Modify magazine. So let's see how this setup runs for the day, and high hopes. Good amount of people that showed up. Not too many, not too busy today, just a couple people, maybe like 8 or 10 people. So small games today, and looking forward to it.
Hit. Bye.
All right, post-game one. It is currently 12:35 in the afternoon and a nice 84 degrees out. Humidity's pretty high. Pretty good game so far. There's a lot of people. They're rallying up the next game, but I got food on the way. So, yeah, pretty hot day. A lot of good guys out here, and looking forward to the rest of the day. So we'll see how it goes. Your head. Oh, hit! Ooh, that fucking hurt. Ah, fuck. God damn it! Same guy! You're good, bro. Hey. Sorry. Hit, good hit. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Be on the lookout, as there's going to be a lot of videos that are releasing throughout this weekend and the upcoming week, as I have a lot of time to upload and actually play to make videos for y'all. This has been Rice, and I'll see you on the field.